Today, or these 2 days, was again a very special occasion by the synopsis. It's a very good conference for these 2 days. I remember 2 days ago it was in Paris. It was a very nice one, and maybe this was even a better one. So the specialty of this conference was so international, all about the earth. From many countries came people and gave us very interesting and important new information about that. So I thank you for these people, and also I thank you for the company to organize this one, and I hope next year we will meet again here.